checking off my list. Well then, I guess they do a lot other time. So I had a baked potato chips. That means I'm getting like good healthy and stuff. That'll work. How could it be so a little modest? Everyone who gets it a lot just to be safe and let it go. Maybe just like in 4 weeks of the day until we're going to be almost there for the Tropon Center Ice Arena featuring with Chicago Wolves, including the mascot 94 is Skates. Yeah, that would be a great idea. Same old as well. I'm not sure what you're talking about. It'll do the right thing. How would you like to let it good? Great. We'll see you later.